Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a PayPal button in Hostinger website builder. This is the first example. It's a single button, and this is the stacked button. This is how it looks like live. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website that you want to add a PayPal button on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and the first thing that I will do is I will create a new page. Click on add page. Then I will generate it using Hostinger AI. For example, create me a simple sales page for my online course YouTube channel flipping. As you see, this is a great description. You can also see page description examples and hit create page. This is the page I've got using this prompt. Now let's say that I want to add a PayPal button below this review section. So I will create an additional blank section. Now keep this page open and go to PayPal website, paypal.com, log into your account. Now go to pay and get paid, and below accept payments, click on create payment links and buttons. Here choose a link or a button. I will go with payment button. This is a preview. Here name your product, for example YouTube, or YouTube channel flipping course. Here describe your course here. Now set the price, one set price or customer set price. I will go with my own price, for example 197. Here you can select the currency. I will keep it USD. Here from quantity you can let customers buy multiple items at once, for example maximum. Since this is a digital product, they can, or let's disable this quantity because most will only buy one copy. Here from images you can add images or enable images. Now let's browse my image. This is my image. Let's see how it looks like. I think for these images it is better to use, for example, a course name or something descriptive. So I will disable this option. And for the button labels, here you can go with stacked buttons. With stacked buttons, you get a multi-button stack with your product info. Change how the buttons look in settings. For example, choose what your PayPal button will say. For example, checkout, pay, buy now, or PayPal. And for a single button, let's preview this single button. This is the from here. Let's go, for example, you can select between buy now, pay now, or something custom. And for the stacked buttons, you can go with checkout or, for example, pay. Let's go back to stacked. Pay with PayPal, checkout, buy now, PayPal buy now, checkout. I would think I will go with buy now. Same thing for the single button. And below show more options. You can tell customers what details you need, for example, like the delivery instructions. You can also include your product identifier or SKU numbers. Now go to the checkout tab. Here you can collect customer shipping address during checkout, Since this is a digital product, I don't need shipping address. Same thing for the shipping fees. Or taxes. And on the confirmation, you can set an auto return URL like this. For example, return them to a thank you page on your website, or disable it and get this PayPal thank you message. Now click on build it. Your buttons are ready. Now copy this first part of your PayPal button code, go back to hosting your website builder, click on elements, scroll down to the bottom and drag this embed code element and drop it where you want to add your PayPal button. Click on enter code, delete this existing or default code, paste the first part, hit enter double times or it is not required. Then go back to the PayPal website and copy the second part of your PayPal button code. Paste it here. Now click on embed code, and just like that, your PayPal button will show up. Now place it exactly where you want it to be, and don't forget to update your website. Now let's view your website live. Go to the page where I have my PayPal button added, and just like that, I have a PayPal button. You can click on, if you click on check, for example, PayPal buy now, this window pops up. I am logged into the account of the seller of this purchase. This is why I see this logout button. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. I am logged into the account of the seller of this purchase. This is why I see this logout button. And if I click on checkout, I will be redirected to this official PayPal website with my products details like the title and description, the full price, and the express checkout option, or pay with your card, debit or credit card, and pay the full price. Now let's see how to add a single PayPal button instead of two buttons. Go back to PayPal and here switch from stacked buttons to single button. Now copy this single code, go back to Hostinger Website Builder, and this time let's add my PayPal button here. Click on elements, embed code, enter code, delete, then paste your code, click on embed, and just like that, my single button is added, my single PayPal button is added to my website. Go to the same page, and this is my PayPal single button. And this is how to add a PayPal button in Hostinger Website Builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.